Hey guys, welcome to Moon Palace, my room, my new room while I was at Moon Palace, Jamaica. Guys, this is an epic room tour of the family deluxe suite. As you can see, this is the junior. We had two connecting rooms. We have the junior suite and we also have a deluxe room as well. So we had a single and it was basically called a family deluxe suite, the two connecting room. It was two connecting rooms, and while we were at the room, guys, we got bed slippers for the adults. We had the adult room, we had the junior suite as well, which was connecting. We got bed slippers, and we for the adults and for the children. Children also got their own robes and bed slippers, and it was just so fantastic. This room, the connecting room, we had a partial pool and ocean view, and we also even had city view as well, which I will show later on in the clip, in the video. So as you can see, my beautiful children are modeling the robes. Guys, we basically rolled out of bed and we were like, oh, let's just film right now. I do apologize ahead of time because I did not get to film the room prior to everything being pulled up. And one thing, when you get a room at Moon Palace, the rooms are cleaned daily. If you don't want your room clean, you could always put a do not disturb sign on the door and they won't come in to clean. So we had the ocean view, and here we have the ocean. My kids are playing at the beach right now, and it was such a beautiful scene, and it's just so spectacular. One of the things I wanted to point out as well, all of the beach and pool, they all come with umbrellas, which is one spectacular thing about Moon Palace. You don't have to worry about it being in the sun all day long, or pulling your chair to somewhere where you have to find shade nor anything like that. It is just beautiful. You're in the shade all throughout the day. All the beach chairs and pool chairs have shades. And guys, I want to pause this video, my speech, like this era, because my mom had passed away and I just want to give her some honor. Yes, my pretty mommy. Look at all this beauty. Huh? Look at that. I know you seem way better than this. And way better than what I'm seeing right now, right? Mama. Love you so much, mommy. Look, mommy. See? So pretty. I know you plan on coming here, mommy. Look at that. I know. I love you so much. Miss you, mommy. Okay guys, as you enter Moon Palace, before you enter your rooms, there's always this sticker which will be on the door. It should be unbroken, of course, and this sticker just lets you know that the room has been sanitized, it's been cleaned, and it is ready for you to use. So as you can see, we all got tags, and the door does not open unless you're using the right tag. And because we had connecting doors, if someone else had connecting rooms, so there's separate entrances for each room. So if someone else had a band for another room, theirs won't necessarily open the other connecting room's door. So as you can see, as we enter, guys, this is after basically waking up. So everything is pulled up. I didn't get to show. This is a closet right here as you enter. So this is the closet for one of the rooms for the junior suite, and that's the hallway for the junior suite, as you can see. And then I'm going to show you the bathroom. So this is a bathroom. It comes with a face basin, and it has towels and ears underneath the face basin for the towels. Comes with a shower, and of course there's the bathroom right there, which obviously was occupied at the moment, so I didn't get to show you, but it was so refreshing to have the bathroom the potty or the Johnny area like closed off, you know. So if someone needed to use the face basin, at least the potty area is closed off, and you have your privacy in the bathroom, in the restroom, in the potty area. Let's put it that way. So of course they give us like little body wash and stuff like that for the children, and toiletries. And here's the room, guys. Excuse the beds, you know, we basically rolled out of bed, and this is a junior suite with two queen size beds, or two, yeah, I think it's queen size. That's queen size bed right there. So that's two queen size bed. Yep, that's definitely a queen. And guys, there's so many ports as well in the room. There's a lot of ports, a lot of plug ports that you can connect to your phone and your accessories. There's so many different areas. This is the city view right here, you know, overlooking the city and the mountain. Of course, it is so beautiful. So if you wanted to go at the city, you could basically walk out into the city, out of the resort and into the city. You can walk around the vicinity. While you're there, you are expected to stay within the vicinity of the resort where you are staying. It's not as if we are allowed to travel out further out into other parts of the community, but we can go on excursions and stuff like that. As long as we're along the tourist area, you know, we're fine. Whether you're traveling to Mobay or whatever, but to go into the community, you aren't expected to do that. So here's the pool. This is one of the pools that is at Moon Palace and a beautiful beach. Okay guys, correction, the family room comes with one king bed in one room and two double bedrooms in the other one, and the rooms come with Wi-Fi. You get free self-parking, you get ocean view, which is what we had, and partial city and pool view. We get bath robes, toiletries, hair dryer, slippers, toothbrush and toothpaste, which is on request only. There's air conditioning, bed sheets and all of that, which is expected. And there's also games which are included, which you would, because of the pandemic right now, you would have to of course request the games to plug in into the junior suite, but that is available. There's a coffee or tea maker machine that comes, and you do have the mini bar, which basically is not stocked right now due to the pandemic, but you can always request that they fill the mini bar, and that is also included in the price that you pay for your room. You do get an ironing board, which is on request only, and the rooms are laptop compatible. You do get internet, and you do have a lot of phone jacks, like I mentioned, a lot of plug-in jacks which are in each room. Guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this room tour. If so, do make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, and also share this video if you know of anyone or yourself who is planning to travel soon or would love to see what it's like at Moon Palace, Jamaica. Guys, do share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Do hit the notification bell to be notified as well.